We have been handling birth injury cases for over 25 years. We've handled a number of different type of birth injury cases, but the primary birth injury case that we've handled are those involving fetal distress that has occurred around the time of birth, where the baby has suffered an anoxic brain injury which has caused an insufficient oxygen supply to the brain during the birthing process that resulted in a brain injury and lifelong disability. Because birth injury cases are complex, both legally and medically, finding a law firm that has the necessary trial skills to try a birth injury case is important. It is also important that that law firm have the necessary medical knowledge to litigate that case. An understanding of a variety of fields of medicine is essential to successfully litigating and trying a birth injury case.